This is the SP6 universal machine, which comes configured initially as an internal model. So if we're going to fit this machine externally, in addition to the furnace, we need to purchase a flashing kit and a flue cowl. Now the flashing kit comes packed with 4 parts. There's 2 side flashings, there's a flashing rail, there's a top flashing. So they're the 4 components. You're going to pack it with some self-drilling screws and an instruction sheet. Now what we're going to do is go through and show you how these components go together. There are 5 steps to fit in the flashings. Step 1 is the side flashings. Side flashing is going to be located here with the long tag at the bottom, and we're going to use this bottom screw on the panel to attach the bottom tag of the side flashing. The next step is going to be to fit the top flashing rail. Now this is attached to the furnace using the 6 screws across the back of the machine. So we have to remove those screws because we're going to use them to fix this rail. It's important that the rail is fitted with the U facing down, the U section, and also you need to put a bead of sealant across the back of the rail for where we attach it to the furnace. We've now fitted the top flashing rail. The reason why we're fitting flashings on the back of this external machine is to protect the ducting from the elements. Now as this is sitting outside, the rainwater is going to run off the top of the lid and run down the back of the machine, so we don't want that water going behind the rail and onto the ducting. And while we're here with the sealant, we've got the 2 screw holes here where the handle was, where we've relocated this panel, so the dab of silicone over those points won't go amiss. We're going to attach the top bracket of the side flashing. So we attach that using the self-drilling screws that are supplied, ensuring that it's vertical and parallel with the side of the furnace. The last part of fitting the flashings to the machine is fitting the top flashing. So this is going to slide in underneath that top rail. It will slide in from the side. Flashings are in place, and before they get pushed against the wall, we will need to look at putting some sealant down the side flashings and behind the top flashing. This is to seal it against the wall because we don't want any of that rainwater that's running down the wall running through behind the flashing and getting on our ducting.